Alright, so Ken Carson has been teasing his new album release and he's been dropping some graphics, and I want to go ahead and recreate the designs he's been making. I think they're insane. The only issue is I don't know how to do it. Okay, so is it possible to make this shit in 10 minutes?
No.
That's what we're gonna find out today.
Before we even get to, send the fucking timer, we have to break down what actually is in this design. Alright, so based on my expert, analysis skills, broke this down to science, and I figured out what it really is and what's really behind and what's the real meaning behind this beautiful piece of art. It's inverted shapes, subtract blend mode, weird inverted figure in the background, and then Gaussian blur, lighter color, blend mode. We just have to recreate a design like this. Now, I'm not too sure what it is. It looks like a metallic fucking flower or some shit. That's actually a good idea. So we have the 10-minute timer right here. I'm thinking some shit like this would actually be fire here. Bro, where am I gonna put this shitty ass fucking timer? Okay, we're gonna get rid of the stem. We're gonna go to filter. We're gonna go to filter gallery and we're gonna put a chrome on this bitch. I think if we bring the smoothness down, detail up. I'm gonna bring this into my ultimate adjustment pack. Hey, quick little plug, if you guys do want to check this shit out, I have all my adjustment presets from every single cover I made pretty much in this, and I use it in every single cover to, speed up workflow and all that shit. So we're gonna honestly use the inverse shit, mainly because it's already like inverted, but we're gonna inverse this, if that makes sense, right? So we're gonna invert the background to make it white, then we'll invert this. Actually, yeah, we could duplicate this, invert it, and then do some like subtract shit.
No.
90 degrees it.
No.
Dude, man. Shit, dude. Okay, some shit like that. That's pretty cool. We just need it to be like, we need a background. We need a ventador with lean. Is that a possible thing? And we're gonna invert this so it looks normal. So the trick to this is actually removing the gradient map. We're gonna make it like bluish. Has to be grayish blue. Maybe we gotta put this as subtract. No, we gotta put this like that. Maybe some shit like this. And we just have to duplicate it 50 million fucking times. And then people are like, oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. I'm like, you don't want to know what this shit is. Trust me, you do not want to know what it is. And then we go like this. Okay. And we merge it all together. Flip horizontal, boom. Put this shit to fucking subtract. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god, here we go. I don't wanna overdo it. I wanna get exactly what it is. Okay, here we go. Gaussian blur, Gaussian blur. Which one is this? This one, right? Lighter color. Maybe a little gradient map with a little bit of blue on it, a little blue little tint on it, like this. I think we got it. I'ma call it there, bro. This might be the greatest fucking. Hold on. We're pausing this shit. This might be the greatest speedrun of all time. That's gotta be it, bro. That's gotta be it. If Ken Carson posted this right now, you guys will be like, yo, that shit's fucking crazy, bro. I'm telling you guys, if he posted this shit right now, maybe we'll get rid of the blue tone. He could post this shit, bro. I'm telling you guys, he can post this shit, okay? Boom. That's it. That's the video. Bam.